Are you ready to transform your financial life? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of finance, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 10 must-read books that will seriously change the way you think about money, investing, and building wealth. These aren't your average self-help finance books. These are powerful, game-changing reads that can guide you from personal finance basics all the way to understanding complex market moves. So, if you're serious about taking control of your financial future, stay tuned. You're about to unlock a treasure trove of knowledge. First up, let's talk about Superforecasting by Philip Tetlock and Dan M. Gardner. Now, this book isn't just for people obsessed with predictions. It's for anyone who wants to get better at reading the future. Whether you're trying to figure out the next big market trend or just trying to predict if that new startup will take off, this book shows you how to make smarter predictions. And guess what? It's not about having a crystal ball. Tetlock explains how gathering data and being open to changing your mind can make you way more accurate in predicting outcomes. Imagine if you could anticipate the next market crash or boom just by using a few key principles from this book. Here's a practical tip for you: start tracking your own predictions. Over time, you'll start to see patterns, and you'll improve your decision-making skills. It's like having a financial superpower. Next, we dive into The Investment Checklist by Michael Sheeran. This book is all about how successful investors analyze what's worth their money. Spoiler: it's not by guessing or going with the crowd. The best investors use a system, a checklist, to make sure they're covering all the bases before they invest. Think of it like buying a car. You wouldn't just pick one because it looks nice, right? You'd check the engine, mileage, safety features, etc. The same goes for investing. Sheeran teaches you to think like a business owner, not just a stockholder. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying part of a business, so you should know everything about it: how it makes money, its weaknesses, its growth potential. Create your own investment checklist, and I promise, you'll feel so much more confident in your financial decisions. Now let's shift gears with Investing in a Secular Bear Market by Paul D. Kaplan. Sounds intimidating, right? But trust me, Kaplan makes it super approachable. We all know the market has its ups and downs, but what happens when we're stuck in a long-term down period? When prices seem to stagnate or fall year after year? That's called a secular bear market, and this book shows you how to not just survive it but thrive. Kaplan's key advice: don't chase quick wins. Focus on preserving your capital and making steady gains over time. Diversification is your friend here. You don't want all your eggs in one basket, especially in a tough market. Kaplan's strategy is all about the long game. Patience, friends. Don't panic when the market dips. That's when smart investors stay calm and look for opportunities. Now, let's get into The Art of Value Investing by John Hines and Whitney Tilson. You've probably heard of value investing, thanks to Warren Buffett, but what does it actually mean? This book is like a backstage pass to the world of value investors. It breaks down how they find undervalued stocks and turn those into long-term winners. Here's the thing: value investing isn't about timing the market. It's about finding businesses that are worth way more than what they're currently selling for. One of my favorite takeaways: don't just follow trends or buy what everyone's hyping up. Do your own research, figure out what a company is really worth, and if it's undervalued, buy it, and hold on. Patience and discipline are key here. It might not feel exciting, but trust me, this strategy can help you build serious wealth over time. Alright, let's talk about personal finance. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by budgets, debt, or even just where to start, The Power of Financial Education by Eric Jordan is the perfect guide. This book lays it all out, from how to create a realistic budget to getting out of debt and building your savings. Here's a piece of advice that really hit home for me: pay yourself first. Before you pay any bills or make any purchases, put a portion of your income into savings or investments. Even if it's small at first, it adds up over time. Financial education is the foundation of wealth, and Jordan's book is packed with practical tips that anyone can follow. Honestly, if you've ever felt stuck in your financial journey, this book will show you the way out. Now, let's talk long-term. Stocks for the Long Run by Jeremy J. Siegel is practically a Bible for stock investors. Siegel's main argument is simple: over the long term, stocks outperform every other asset class. Whether you're nervous about market volatility or worried about timing, Siegel says, stay the course. The data he shares is pretty compelling. Stocks have outperformed bonds, real estate, and even gold over the past 2 centuries. His advice: don't let short-term market fluctuations scare you out of a good investment. One of the most important lessons is the power of compounding. Reinvest your dividends, let your investments grow, and over time, you'll see major results. It's all about thinking long-term and not getting caught up in the day-to-day noise of the market. Next, we have Simple Wealth, Inevitable Wealth by Nick Murray. This book is a reminder that building wealth doesn't have to be complicated. Murray's philosophy is, invest in high-quality assets, stick with them, and let time work its magic. His concept of financial independence is empowering. He encourages us to build a portfolio that can provide for our future, without relying on outside forces like Social Security or pensions. The key here is patience. Murray shows us that you don't need to chase trends or time the market. Just stick to a solid plan and stay disciplined, and over time, wealth is inevitable. For those of you interested in the strategies of legendary investors, The Guru Investor by John P. Reese is an amazing resource. Reese digs into the methods of investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham and distills their strategies into actionable steps. One of the biggest lessons from this book is that the best investors don't rely on luck or gut feelings, they follow a system. If you've ever wondered how the pros stay cool during a market crash, this book shows you exactly how. Another hidden gem is The Rise of Carry by Tim Lee. This book dives into the world of carry trades and how they've shaped the global financial system. Trust me, it's more exciting than it sounds. Carry trades, where you borrow money at a low rate and invest in higher-yielding currencies, can be a gold mine, but they also carry huge risks. Lee explains how this strategy has influenced market bubbles and financial crises. It's a must-read if you want to understand the big picture of the global economy. Finally, we have Quantitative Value by Wesley R. Gray. If you're a data person, this book is for you. Gray's approach is all about using numbers and models to find undervalued stocks. It's like value investing on steroids. The book shows you how to create a strategy based on data rather than emotions, which is crucial for making smart investment decisions. The takeaway: emotions can mess up even the best-laid plans, but a solid, numbers-based approach will keep you on track. And there you have it, 10 incredible books that will change the way you think about money, investing, and financial freedom. Which one are you most excited to read? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Book Bites for more financial insights and book summaries. Remember, knowledge is power, and the best investment you can make is in yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.